my screen, this is the building model that we are going to work on. As you can see, it is basically a 6-story building with a basement. So first, let's now continue with our design. Now in this, we're going to look on how we can add columns for our building. Let's revisit back to our architectural column. Remember, you can also do a general arrangement drawing, which I've done in other videos, so that the columns are so chosen, or you can just decide to model them directly. For my case, I'm doing a direct modeling. So you have to look at where lie inside these columns. We can do that using our ground floor. And if you look at the ground floor, we have the architecture has indicated where he wants the columns, but I believe that we'll have to add other extra columns for our case here, so that we make our structure structurally stable. So to do that, we can first actually start by adding the columns that are here. So let's go and start modeling the existing columns, and then we'll do other columns that we prefer. So to do that, you simply go to your structure software, click on column. Under column, you just define your column size. I want column size which for these exterior ones, I'll be preferring columns that are 44 by 3. So for the breadth, I can put it to be, and then for this one, I can put to be 3. So you can simply come here and just insert your column. And if you look at this column, you can see it's striking directly on the, but remember how to offset it a bit, because our land, there is something I told you about. This is the boundary plot. So we should make sure that nothing flashes with our boundary plot. It does not go beyond the boundary plot. So if I'm inserting this column here, I should make sure that it flashes with it, so that maybe there are existing building on the other side. So to do that, ProtaStructure has that option. You can always click on your column. After click on your column, you right click, go to properties, so that you can modify that column. There is this part of eccentricity whereby you can always change your position of your column like that. So you can have it there. So once I have it there, we can use this one to go and paste it in the subsequent column. Just go that, and I will simply come and paste it here. I need it, yes, but I will still come and change it. I want these columns of this side, so simply have, and then under this, once we come on this side, so if I place this one, you can see it will go beyond this grid. So I have to change the eccentricity. Just come there, right click, go to properties. Now I have to change it. Let's just change it to this, and then update. Yes, we have it there. So you can always come and copy this, come and select it, and then copy it to this. So I can always do this, but we have to change these corner columns, because also the plot ends at this grid. So to do it, we come here, right click on this, go to properties, then come to this and try to fix it there and see. Yes, I have it there. Come to this one, right click on this, right click, come to properties, simply update that based on your plot boundary. You can also do this, right click on this, then come to plot boundary, click on this, update. We have it there. You also have to check on this, right click, go to property, check on this, and to insert on that, and we have it there. So we already have our major column, so we want to do these other columns here. So what we do, simply right click on this, go to column, right click, properties, click on this, right click, go to select property, change it to yes, like that. So you can have this. It's a bit taking time, but this is the right way to do it. Because I'm using a practical example, as you can see, you have to put your columns right based on the condition of your plot. So right click here. So, but this is not the end. So on here, we can simply have them at the center. So simply come to properties and choose this center, update, have it there. So just come and insert that one. So we also have this. Yes, we have all those are our columns. So I believe with